Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the specific Google form and attaching it to a Google Sheet. This gives you live access to answers. Once done, define correct responses, prefer multiple choice or checkboxes for auto-scoring, and build a simple key in the sheet or in the form's quiz settings. Make sure to toggle Make this a quiz if you want automatic scores. This step sets up data capture and scoring so subsequent steps compute totals accurately and without guesswork. Next, switch to the linked Google Sheet to compute scores. Use per-question formulas, array formula with IF comparisons, to assign points for correct answers, so each submission gets evaluated row by row. Once you have per-item columns, add a SUM column or apply mmult for weighted scoring, and then normalize to your target scale. For example, multiply by 100 divided by max points. Make sure your ranges auto-expand to include new responses, so future entries are graded immediately. Finally, deliver results and validate the workflow. Enable respondent feedback in quiz settings or send a score email using an app script or add-on. Test with several dummy responses to confirm calculations and that headers align with formulas. If something breaks, first check that your formula ranges include new rows and that answer text matches exactly. Case and extra spaces matter. Also confirm no rows are frozen or protected. One quick fix is trimming spaces with trim and rechecking array formula ranges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.